Hey everyone, thanks so much for visiting our YouTube channel.
Yeah, welcome. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. Hello there. Come on in and have a seat. I'm Dr. Ramirez. What's your name?
Hi, Doctor Ramirez. I'm Alex Thompson. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Alex. So, you're from the USA, right? I saw that on your form. What brings you all the way here for a checkup? Or are you just escaping the winter back home?
Yeah, I'm from Chicago. It's freezing there right now. Snow up to your knees. I came here on vacation, actually. Thought I'd get a quick checkup while I'm relaxing. Kill two birds with one stone. I've been feeling okay, but it's been a while since my last one.
Ah, Chicago. I've always wanted to visit. Deep dish pizza and all that jazz. Sounds like a smart plan. Getting checked while on vacation. No rush, no stress. So, tell me, Alex, how's your morning been so far? Grabbed some coffee or breakfast?
Oh, yeah, I had a big breakfast at the hotel. Eggs, toast, and some fresh fruit. It was nice. The sun here is amazing compared to back home. Makes you feel alive, you know? But honestly, I'm a bit anxious about this checkup. Not sure why. Maybe because it's in a new place.
Hey, that's totally normal. Everyone gets a little jittery sometimes. Even me when I go to my own doctor. All right, let's start easy. How old are you, Alex? And what do you do back in Chicago?
I'm 42. I work in marketing for a tech company. Lots of sitting at a desk, staring at screens all day. I love it, though. It gets me traveling now and then, like this trip.
Marketing, huh? Sounds exciting. All those creative ideas flying around, and yeah, desk jobs can be tough on the body. We'll check that out. So, for this checkup, is there anything specific bothering you or just a general once over?
Mostly general, but I've been getting these headaches lately. Not bad, but they come and go. Maybe from stress at work, and my energy's been low. Feeling tired by afternoon.
Headaches and low energy. Got it. That's common, especially with busy jobs like yours. Tell me more about the headaches. When do they happen? Morning? After lunch? Any triggers like coffee or screens?
Mm, Usually in the evenings, after a long day. I think screens are part of it. I stare at my computer for hours. And yeah, I drink a lot of coffee. 3 cups a day, easy. Bad habit from college days.
Oh, coffee addictions. I get it. I'm guilty too. Sometimes I joke that my blood is half caffeine. But seriously, that could be a factor. Dehydration from coffee can cause headaches. How much water do you drink?
Not enough, probably. I forget sometimes. Back home, I'm always rushing meetings, emails. Life's fast there.
Sounds hectic. All right, let's jot that down. Now, family history. Any health stuff, friends in your family? Heart issues, diabetes, that sort of thing?
Yeah, my dad had high blood pressure. He passed away a few years ago from a heart attack. It scared me a bit. Mom's okay, though. She's 68 and still gardening every day. She's the tough one.
I'm sorry to hear about your dad. That's tough. Good, you're being proactive now. Prevention is key, right? We'll check your blood pressure today. How about your lifestyle? Exercise, eating habits?
Exercise? I try. I go to the gym maybe twice a week, running on the treadmill, some weights, but with work, it's hard. Eating? I love burgers and pizza, classic American stuff. But I mix in salads when I remember. Vacation here has me trying healthier foods, like all the fresh seafood.
Burgers and pizza. Can't blame you. I had one in the States once. It was huge. Good, you're balancing it. Seafood's great for you, omega-3s and all. Okay, Alex, let's do the basics. I'll check your height, weight, and blood pressure. Just relax.
Sure thing. Wow, I think I've gained a few pounds since last year. Vacation food, huh?
Height is 5'10" inches, weight 185 pounds. Not bad. Blood pressure's 130/85. A tad high, but could be white coat syndrome. You know, nerves in the doctor's office. Happens to the best of us.
That's better than I thought. White coat syndrome. Never heard that. Funny name.
Yeah, it's real. Patients get tense, numbers go up. We'll monitor it. Now, any allergies, medications?
No allergies that I know of. I take multivitamins sometimes and ibuprofen for headaches. That's it.
Good to know. Now, tell me a story, Alex. What's the craziest thing that's happened on one of your work trips? Lighten the mood while I check your ears and throat.
Oh, man. Last year in New York, I got lost in the subway. Ended up in Brooklyn instead of Manhattan. Missed a big meeting. But I met the street musician. Played the best jazz. Turned a bad day good. Life surprises, right?
That's awesome. I love stories like that. Reminds me of my med school days. I once took the wrong bus and ended up at a beach. Skipped class, but hey, vitamin D. Ears look clear. Throat, too. No issues.
Skipping class for the beach? Doctor, you're human after all.
Guilty as charged. Okay, let's talk about sleep. How many hours a night?
About 6 or 7, but it's not great. I wake up a lot thinking about work. See, even talking about it.
Stress can do that. Try winding down. No screens before bed. Read a book maybe, or meditation apps. I use one. It helps a ton.
Yeah, I've heard of those. Might try. Back home, my wife nags me about it. She's the healthy one. Yoga every morning.
Wives know best, huh? Smart lady. How long have you been married?
10 years. Best decision ever. We have 2 kids, boy and a girl, 8 and 6. They're why I want to stay healthy. Don't want to miss their stuff, you know?
Absolutely. Family's everything. That's a great motivator. Now, any smoking, drinking?
No smoking, quit 5 years ago. Drinking, a beer or 2 on weekends, nothing crazy.
Quitting smoking. Big win. Pat yourself on the back. All right, let's check your lungs and heart. Deep breaths for me.
Like this? Feels good to breathe deep. I should do it more.
Lungs sound clear. Heart steady. Strong ticker. You're in pretty good shape, Alex. But let's draw some blood for cholesterol and sugar levels. Standard stuff.
Okay. Needles don't bother me. Like, as long as you don't faint.
Promise I won't. Been doing this for 15 years. While we wait for results later, any questions for me?
Yeah. How do I boost energy? Coffee is not cutting it.
Easy fixes. More water, balanced meals, short walks, and sleep. Aim for 8 hours. All done. Bandage on.
Thanks. That was quick.
So wrapping up, your checkup looks solid. Blood pressure to watch. Headaches may be from dehydration or stress. Cut back coffee, drink water, move more, and enjoy that vacation.
Relieved. Sounds doable. Thanks, Doc. Feel better already just talking.
My pleasure, Alex. Come back if needed. Safe travels home. Say hi to Chicago for me.
Will do. Take care.